Pitas po tayo ng talong. Ala. Oh, ayos na yan to. Ang dami oh. Ala. Yan oh. Organic. Ito pa.
Oh, maraming.
Maliit pa to. Ay, dami. Ala, doon pa. Nakakatuwa. Saan yung iba? Ito. Oh, wala mo. Sabihin sa iba. Nakakatuwa. May background pa na aso. Ito oh. Ang dami. Konti pa, konti. Ito. Oh. Wala na, ito na lang. Saan? Ito? Maliit pa. Oh? Ang bilis oh. Ubos ang bunga. Ito pa. Meron isa. Oh. Tapos ito. Wala kung may kalabasa. Kalabasa. Ow. Ano? Okay na. Yan. Tapos pitas na din ng ganito. Mayari bang mga lak?
Yan. Okay. Yung kuha yung bata pa.
Ito. Malunggay. Hindi nagagastos. Hindi nagagastos niyan. Ayan o. Oh. May panggulay na. Sahog na lang ko lang. Oh. Tara na. Grabe kayo. Dala-dalawa pa. Tara. Tara na din eh. Oh. Oh, meron pa. Oh, sandali. Oh.
Masyadong makapadamage na pinto. Ay, gorila, wag naman na ito iba to ah. Oh, gorila ah. Ay, malamalinggas na yun. Munting kahanan.
Nandiwa, grabe ka.
Welcome to Nicknock Garden and Vegetable.
Ay, kawawa naman yung
Papatila.
Ay, kanino to? Sa'yo to? Ito?
Ha?
Ang ganda naman. Parang hindi lumalaki, no? Hindi siya. Those are a little bigger and juicier. Look at this. Look. Ayan, yan yung, pero lalaki. Still gonna get bigger. Look, it's still gonna get bigger. Ito rin to.
Opo.
Yeah, ayun yung man. Ang mahal kaya. So expensive.
Oh, toy. Ne, galaon nandun.
Oh, I saw one. At least pwede siyang kapatid. Wala ka larang ka lang. Kumusta naman ang work? Toy, nasa kapas ka pa. Relax anak niyo. Since na naambot kayo, nilipat ka na dyan, ano? Ano lang ang gumagawa? Hanggang maging colonel na. Yung papae. Ano tong pagtambas ng papait sa dulo lang? Toy, ganito lang?
Ito yung malambot.
Ah, yung malambot. Ganito siya.
Medyo mataktal lata. Medyo ugaw.
Ay, bulak. Ayun, dapat yung wala pang bulak.
Eh, seryoso, oh.
I'm cutting some. It's not a weed, but it's
That a week.
papait. How do you call it in English?
It's a vegetable.
It's like
It tastes like it's bitter,
like
but it's
basil.
good for
Not
you.
basil. It's like a spinach or watercress,
Here, show the.
right? Right here. It's like a watercress, but you can only find it somewhere in the northern part of the Philippines.
Sipag na, no?
And this. Oh, i-harp ako lang to. You need help.
Wow! Sira. Sira.
Uy, ang sarap na.
Ayan, no?
Tama-tama.
Oh, kamay.
Papirito.
Ay, sarap. Ito, oh. Ay,
Oy, can we say this one, Junior? Isay mo laya. Daw may budol fight ng bet. Ano.
oh.
So nice.
Nalatoy sa cake yan.
Can I grab this one? Ay, wait.
Very big.
Oh.
I harvested
Oh.
one in Florida like this. There were 11. 11 layers.
Mabigat. It's heavy.
Very big.
It's heavy.
Very big, oh. Lalaki.
Ganyan ba yung
Lalaki, oh.
Junior? O niya, tamay na plastic siya.
Kukuha na tayo.
No,
Pwede na to, eh.
Hindi, pipirito dapat yan, Ben.
Hindi, pwede na yan.
Pipirito.
Mas matamis lang yan.
Tawayan mo.
No, I'm gonna fry it. I'm not gonna
Let
eat
me
it.
open it.
I fried it.
Paano
I
ko
will fry it.
open niya? Open.
I will fry it.
Sige, one open ko ito.
That needs to be fried. No, mano pa yan.
Ay, medyo malambot.
Ay, malakwan pa.
We can fry it. We can chop it and fry it for breakfast. No, what?
O, patikim.
Once they bear fruit, they lose its strength. They will die. And then there's another growth.
Not bad. It's good.
Yeah.
Sarap. Really good. Oh, nala. Handa.
Evergreen. Yan sa masamit.
Oh yeah, lutulaya.
Maganda na bunga yan, ah. Evergreen. First time ko. Evergreen, parang na plug.
Lutulatan, kanan ta. Breakfast. Breakfast.
Hindi ulit bilay.
Still hard.
Bamboo.
We call it bamboo leaves.
It's a bamboo.
Bamboo leaves.
Ulit.
This is the province life.
Yarin mo nala na flowers dyan.
Herbal po yan. Yung kulay violet. Yung galaga.
Can you put it up? Can you let it stand up? balat.
Galing to sa tanim ni Nick, no? Libre.
Can you help me? On a put it there, so the sap will not go down. Hindi yung mga dagta niya. Look, it's in here. One gana. That's good. Fresh vegetables. And the leaves. Just mo my lips up. There you go. Yung ay kasi may sabon. Okay. Ciao, bye now.
Pertang talong. Walang kamatayang talong yan.
Oh, gana, picture mo ko ba? Ay, ang sarap! Welcome to the Philippines. Picture.
Bye! Oh! Sitaw, bili na po kayo ng sitaw. Ayan oh.
Ang galing naman! Ang galing!
Bahala ko. Ay, ay. Ha? Sino? Ayoko. I don't trust her. Mamaya, mamaya ma-aksidente na naman ako eh.
Alam ko mabubuntol ko.
Coffee. In the morning. Puro tayo utong nga po. Almusaran tayo ay medyo bingpay. Ito may bukan. Wait, hindi itong kamati, agamang. Wala ni bangus di man ni may
Panang nang mo mic yan? Sitaw.
Oh, sitaw po from Philippines. Ito masarap to, wala pang buto. Kasi yung mabuto. Hindi ko type yung mabuto, mga kaibigan. Dito na lang ako. Sariwa pa.
Hindi po yung kunin yung malaki.
This is our neighbor's farm. We're just stealing some.
Edit mo,
I
edit
love
mo,
to
edit
steal.
mo. Our cousin,
No, we
our
ask
cousin,
our neighbor.
Yeah, our
It's
neighbor.
okay to pick some. Ano ba yung nakita ko?
Ano man rito sa pista ka rin yung ano, lure ni ana lumaban mo, laban babae taray. Kalaban ka rin yung ana, ay lang matipag na taray.
Nahihirapan niya isa ko.
Ang gapoy ahas niya.
Anong nang mo? Di wala.
Bukbang ko, bunto ko sa.
Bunto ko rin tinig.
Walang ahas dito, Krista.
Wala po.
Pinapaba, are they letting us speak on
Just
our
be
own?
careful.
Krista,
Pa.
letting us speak on our own?
Yes,
Apo.
I already asked our neighbor. They said, it's okay.
Ito yung fresh na, anong pangalan nitong
String beans.
string beans na short? Hindi long, short.
Yeah, may tawag dito
Short
pero hindi
string
ko alam.
beans.
May
Krista, how do you
long
call
beans, string beans.
Okay. Are you getting the younger one or the older? The mature.
Buko lang.
Huh?
The mature.
Mature one?
Or do you want to get the younger one?
I don't know.
Or half and half?
Both.
Okay, we'll get half.
Oh my gosh, look at this. So fresh. Look at that.
Fresh from the farm.
Hey. Just buy milk fish and give.
Salamat, akabo na.
Good morning, people. Good morning, Banto. Mga bestie. Nagpipik po kami ng
Sitaw, bataw,
shorts,
atan.
long bean. Hindi to long beans eh. It was
String beans. Just
string beans, but it's shorter, medium.
Bagas empty mo eh. Tanghali pa tayo matatapos nito. Pick lang ng pick. Ayan o. Enjoy the moment.
Don't you want me
Ay.
like I want you, babe?
Happy hour.
Don't you need me like
Diba? Sitaw! Bili po kayo
Bili na po
sitaw.
kayong sitaw.
Mura lang po.
Tagpipiso. Piso-piso.
Roland, for sale? Ha? Can I buy it? Yarin sali mo ka?
Ay! Let's go. Tara, let's go here.
This is what we got. Sitaw. Fresh.
Listen. Hey. Listen. Dad,
Yeah,
I like it.
I think that's enough, right?
Let's go back.
This is enough. Okay.
Okay, Christelle.
Tapos na po kami. We're done. We're done picking.
You wanna see the surrounding?
Morning. Ay, katutulog mo sila.
Ito, sila tayo lumitiya, mula si Simayo.
Magugulay kami.
Turbo ka naman, Mari. Hindi mas maganda yung direksyan ka na magsalita. Talaga nag-istorbo ka. Pagtimpla ka uli sa bahay, isang timba. Igupin mo lahat.
Pwede bang tipla na tipla? Bibili ka na naman.
This is the long bean. Nagbayad na doon.
Demi natin.
This is the talbos.
Ito English sa talbos.
I don't know. Wala namang... Kuya, alam Mike yun.
Hindi ito, ready to cook na to.
Hindi, kunin mo rin yan.
Huwag di mo na sisimayin. Kung mahaba, hilisin mo kayo matigas. Kasi yung sira niya, ready to cook.
Darating si Rose na yun.
Ay, gawin ko lang.
Nagbobo.
Mamang.
Nakakapagod pala kumuha.
Banto, kung may rayuma ka dito, dito ka matutuluyan. Sasakit ang balakang. Bewang.
Kuyang salita ka lang salita.
Okay.
Okay.
Ano ay?
Okay, I'll shut up.
Aminin ko. Umaamin ako ng pagkakamali.
Ang init na, siya. Fresh. Freshly picked
Fresh
from the farm in front of our house.
50-50 ka muna.
Maliliit sila kasi mga organic.
They're all organic.
Then ito, pinitas ni Bet from the farm. Right?
Tapos,
But look at
ito,
this. Tignan mo to. Look at this.
kalabasa.
This is what I have in Florida, but look how tiny here. Look.
Organic.
See? I don't know what's in English. Ito yung... This is just picked from the vine. Look at that. And it's
Let's
two
read.
different color. One
Hindi ako galing
purple.
abroad.
Look how long this one purple.
Wala, nandun na, ubus na.
I think that they call that red bean.
Okay, Mars.
Yeah.
Wow.
It looks
So
purple
now,
by its red.
sasabihin natin, yo, para
Kalaturan na. Yung bayad pa.
ito.
Baka makalimutan mo.
Oh, I know.
Oh, yung kamay yung...
Doon. Hindi raw yan. Tato mo lang dito.
Yes, sa atin na.
Ate Shirley, mag-hi ka naman na. Hey, hey, come on. Picturean mo din kami, ano, oh.
Also, yan.
Nang sa may kamatis
Ayan.
na Roman.
Roland.
Mhm.
Nang sa may kamatis.
Si Roland nga.
Oh, yun, tama.
Si Roland nga.
I-plus mo na.
Dagdag mo na. Oh, sige na, para hindi nyo na malito si ano. Anong pangalan mo?
Ako kaya ko makikita.
Ano Rebecca. Para hindi natin malito si Rebecca, pinapawisan na. Kami ang magbenta.
Magkano lahat?
Mag-asawa.
Usa. Mabura ko kila ko na sila nila.
440? 460?
Si Talkan nito ah.
So it's like $8.
Sigurado, siyempre, kwento, walang istorbo.
Okay, tara. Sige. Ay, namamatay na pala.
Ito.
Ay,
Kamyas. Ito po yung kamyas.
Kunin mo na, madali pa lang maano. Okay.
Kwan na lang.
Look over here. Look. Wow. Wow.
Sinigang.
Dami.
Pang sinigang. Yan o, kunin
Huwag
na
niyong
natin
alisin
lahat.
to ah. Matabas na lahat. Huwag lang ito. Please.
Kunin na lahat. Oh, yan
What do
po.
you hear what I said? Tabasin nyo na lahat. Huwag lang ito ha. At malilintikan yung matabas. Mapapalo. Yes, it's so good. Look at this.
Ay!
Kamyas, can I bring this back to our trip?
No, you can't.
Wow. Oh, wow. Can I pick up? Can I pick up?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh my God. Ang ganda. Oh, this is so good. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is a sour kamyas. Ganda oh. Grabe. And this one too? No. Ano na yan? No. This one. And they can get ripened real quick. Kaya madaling malaglag. Okay. Save the rest.
I think that's enough.
Save the rest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For
Wait.
sinigang.
Can I reach this one too? Okay. Oh wow, large. Look at this. Ayun, ang laki.
Just be careful.
Uy, ano na yun? Pwede hugasan ka.
Akala lulubot ako. Kamyas. For sinigang.
Okay. That's good.
Ayun o. Ito.
Uy, illegal entry. Illegal entry. Look at the eggplant. They're not as big, but because they're organic. Not lots of hormones. Give me the other one. Look. I'll hold it. See? Come on. Ang pag-apply junior, naghatid na ng mga bata. Oh, church ngayon, di ba?
Ayun o, piling. Ito, pakita mo to. Pakita mo yung bulaklak.
Yung nalo ka rin. Ano? It's double. Double. Oh, no? It's double. Look at this. Oh, I never seen this before. So pretty. Kumuha na po kami ng talong. Good morning.
Kumuha ng talong. Dinakaw lang. Pinagpaalam na namin sa puno.
Ano oras darating si Nina sa Bangos?
Marami kayong napitas?
Binigyan na namin
Ayan.
ng Nina sa papa.
Kasi may leftovers pa eh.
Ha?
Sunday nagtinda siya, hindi ko alam kasi alternate siya every other Sunday.
Video ka.
Okay. Patanong kaya para makapabili na.
Talbos kamote.
Oh, good. Sabi mo, punta siya rito, no?
Dinner ko mga say. Taga Italy.
Supermarket na lang. Ha? Ay, yung kapatid mo. Okay? Tatlo kayo? Kayo lalaking bunso. Bet, nyari ka naman manayam dyan, pa.
Lagay natin yung saging. Wala lang.
Uy,
Yan o. Show off tayo.
Cristela.
Dali, kuha. Kuha ko na. Alisin ko na. Morning, Philippines. Some of them we bought from our neighbors. And we picked some of the beans.
Some are donations.
And the eggplant, we got it from my brother's farm.
See how big it is? It's
And,
definitely organic.
Papain.
This one is kamias from our tree, okay, from the backyard. So this is the harvest that we have from the farm. We gathered everything. This is patola, right here, mga kapamilya patola. Then it's so big, we share the rest, so this is also squash. Then kamatis, which is smaller. Then ito yung, this is the long beans. This is from the farm, right up.
Where this came from?
Sino galing ka?
Kanino galing to?
Donation.
ayan.
Somebody gave it to us. And this is the bok choy. See how tiny they are? Because they're organic.
Call it pet chai.
Pecha, bok choy. See this? Everything here is very small. It's not big. So what's this one? This is, they call it parda. I don't know how you say it in English. Look.
This is the malunggay.
Yeah. Basically, this is by my brother's farm right here.
Thank you.
Anong tawag nito?
Saba.
Saba, banana.
Ito yung
Call it
lakatan.
Saba.
Sinabi
This-
ko kahapon.
Basically, we use this for dessert. For dessert, banana
Make it
cue,
banana.
for halo-halo. They're really, really good. Makunat. Ito, hinintay niya po sa amin na makarating para lang matabas namin. Here. That's so nice of him. Thank you.
Thank you. We love
And
it.
this is also, I don't know, papain. But you
Papain.
can Google it. This is papain, which is one of the most nutrients, leafy vegetables that we have. It's better than any green leafy vegetables. It's wonderful. Here, favorite.
It's a bitter melon.
This is a bitter melon, ang palaya, which is just kapipitas lang. Look. Makintab pa. Ang sarap nitong ilalaga. At ito yung magalang na gulay. Upo. That's it.
Ako lang
And
ang
those
nakain.
little okra, you need to have pinakbet. Without, you cannot cook pinakbet without okra. Look. Got it? That's it. Is it a purple? Purple?
Purple sweet potato.
Purple sweet potato? This one here? Oh wow, look at this. This is what I want. Look at this, purple sweet potato. See?
Hindi siya mayaman sa gulay.
Sa gulay,
Prutas.
tama.
Ito yung gusto namin kainin pag
Yeah, umuwi.
Pag umuwi.
Mhm. Most nutrients vegetables. And this is only in Bantog Farm. Yay!